Parabola Part 4.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few 2 marks problems. So, see the first problem. Find the coordinates of the point on the parabola y square is equals to 2x, whose focal distance is given 5/2. Okay. See, here given parabola is y square equals to 2x. Given parabola y square is equals to 2x. So clearly it is in the form of or compare with y square is equals to 4ax. So clearly 4a is equals to 2. From this a is equals to 1/2. Okay. So it is in the form of y square equal to 4x. So clearly the given parabola opens positive x-axis side like this. So this parabola is what? Y square is equals to 2x, and this is what? Focus of the parabola. Now whose focal distance is given 5/2. Suppose this is the focal distance. Suppose this is the point P. We need to find the coordinate of point P on the parabola using the focal distance. See, here given focal distance is equals to 5/2. So you know that focal distance formula is x1 plus a. This is equals to 5/2. So here this point P is what? x1 comma y1. Now what is a value? 1/2. Substitute here. Modulus of x1 plus 1/2 is equals to 5/2. So clearly from this x1 plus 1/2 is equals to 5/2. Okay. So therefore x1 is equals to 5/2 minus 1/2. So what is the value of x1? 4/2. This is equals to 2. Now P lies on the parabola y square equals to x. So substitute point P in equation 1. So therefore from equation 1, so y1 square is equals to what? 2 into x1. x1 is what? 2. So y1 is equals to plus or minus 2. Okay. So therefore P is x1 comma y1. One point is 2 comma 2 and the second point is 2 comma minus 2. So suppose that is the point Q. Here SP is focal distance or SQ also focal distance. Therefore the coordinates of P and Q are what? 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2. See the second solution. If 1/2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal cut of the parabola y square equal to 8x, then find the coordinates of the other extremity. See here given parabola y square is equals to 8x. Okay. So if in the form of y square is equal to 4ax, so 4a is equals to 8. From this a value is 2. Okay. See here one end of the focal chord is 1/2 comma 2. See here the given parabola is y square equal to 8x. It is in the form of y square equal to 4ax. So clearly this parabola opens positive x-axis side. So like this. And focal chord means a chord passing through the focus. Suppose this is the focus. So this is a chord. A chord passing through the focus is focal chord. So here one end is given 1/2 comma 2. So this is the one end of the focal chord. Then find other end of the focal chord. See here this point is 80 square comma 280. So using that point we can find the other end of the focal chord. So you know that the other end is a by t square comma minus 2a by t. Okay. See here one end of focal chord, P 80 square comma 280. This is equals to P 1 by 2 comma 2. Now from this we can find T and substitute in the point Q. Okay, see here. So clearly 280 is equals to how much? 2. So what is A value? 2. So 2 into 2. 4T is equals to 2. So T is equals to how much? 1 by 2. Therefore, other end is A by T square comma minus 2A by T. So what is A value? 2. So this is 2 by T square, that is 1 by 4, comma minus 2 into 2. A value is 2 and T value is 1 by 2. So this is 8 comma minus. This is the other end of the focal chord. So see the question number 3. Find the points on the parabola whose focal distance is 10 units. See the third solution. So given parabola y square is equal to 8x. So you are comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. So what is 4a value? 8. Okay. 4a is equals to 8. Therefore the value of a is 2. Okay. And focal distance is given 10 units. See here, focal distance is equals to 10 units. You know that focal distance formula x1 plus a is equals to 10. So x1 plus 2 is equals to 10. So what is x1 value? 10 minus 2, 8. So the value of x1 is 8. Okay. So see here, this is the given parabola. And P be any point on the parabola. It is some x1 comma 1. And S is focus of the parabola. Then SP is called what? Focal distance. Whose distance is 10 units. Then find the coordinates of the P. See here, P lies on the parabola. P lies on y square is equal to 8x. That is y1 square is equals to 8x1. You know that x1 value is 8. So y1 square is equals to 8 into 8. So y1 is equals to plus or minus 8. Therefore, points are 8 comma 8, 8 comma minus 8. So these are the required points. So see the question number 4. Find the vertex and focus of the parabola. See here, given parabola x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6x equals to 0. So this can be written as x square minus 6x is equal to 6y minus 6. See here, this can be written as x minus, we should write the half value of 6, that is 3. Square of this minus square of second term, square of this, right 9. Okay. Now this is equal to 6y minus 6. Now simplify this, you will get x square plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled minus 6x. Therefore x square minus 6x write as x minus 3 whole square minus 9. Now this is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6y minus 6 plus 9. Again this is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6y 9 minus 6 plus 3. Again this is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 is common, y plus 3 by 6. So this is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 into y minus of minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now clearly this equation is of the form x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k. In that case, what is the vertex? Vertex is h comma k. Now first find h value. H is equal to 3, k is equal to minus 1 by 2, 4a is equal to 6, a is equal to how much? 3 by 2. Therefore, vertex h comma k. So what is h value? 3. K is minus 1 by 2. So 3 comma minus 1 by 2. And find focus. So what is the focus? In that case, focus is h comma k plus a. Okay. So h is what? 3 comma k is what? Minus 1 by 2 plus a value. So what is a value here? 3 by 2. So clearly 3 comma 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 is 1. So here vertex is 3 comma minus 1 by 2 and focus is 3 comma 1. So see the next question. Find the axis and directrix of the parabola. See here given parabola y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to g. Now this can be written as y square plus 6y is equals to 2x minus 5. Now y square plus 6y can be written as, see here, y plus half value of 6, that is 3. So square of this minus square of the second term. Square of this is what? 9 is equals to 2x minus 5. Now again this is y plus 3 whole square is equals to 2x minus 5 plus 9. Now y plus 3 whole square is equals to 2x plus 4. Now again y plus 3 whole square is equals to 2 is comma x plus 2. Again this can be written as y minus of minus 3 whole square is equals to 2 into x minus of minus 2. So clearly this equation is of the form y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h, where h is equals to minus 2, k is equals to minus 3, 4a is equals to 2. So from that, the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. Now, you need to find the axis of the parabola and directrix of the parabola. See, our given equation is of the form y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. So in that case, the axis is parallel to which axis? X axis. Therefore, equation of axis is y is equals to k. So what is k here? Minus 3. So equation of axis is y is equals to minus 3. This is y plus 3 is equals to 0. Next one, equation of the directrix. See here, equation of directrix, whose equation is x minus h plus a is equals to 0. X minus, what is h? Minus 2, that is plus 2. A, what is a value? 1 by 2. Okay. So clearly 2 plus 1 by 2. X plus 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So equation of directrix is 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So see the sixth solution. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is what? 1 comma minus 1 and vertex is what? 1 comma minus 2. So once you consider the coordinate axis, this is the coordinate axis. Okay. Now see here, See 0, 1, 2, 3. And this is minus 1, minus 2, and so on, minus 7. Now here, now see here given vertex is what? 1 comma minus 2. So this is the vertex of the parabola. Next, what is the focus? 1 comma minus 7. So this is the focus. So you know that focus lies inside of the parabola. So clearly the given parabola is like this. So this is the axis of the parabola. Okay. Now using this figure, we can find the equation of the parabola. See here, given vertex, that is h comma k is equals to what? 1 comma minus 2. So where h is equals to 1, k is equals to minus 2. And focus is what? 1 comma minus 7. So clearly this parabola opens negative y-axis. See here whose equation is x minus h whole square is equals to minus 4a into y minus k. So that is the equation of the parabola. Now focus is given 1 comma minus 6. Focus 1 comma minus 6. See here in that equation, what is the focus of the parabola? So clearly focus of the parabola is h comma k minus a. See here k minus a is equals to minus 7. So what is k value? Minus 2. So minus 2 minus a is equals to minus 7. So clearly a is equals to how much? Minus 2 plus 7. That is 5. So you know the value of h and k and a. Now write the equation of the parabola. So therefore, equation of parabola is, so clearly x coordinates of focus and vertex both are same. So clearly in that case x is parallel to y-axis and the parabola opens negative y-axis side. In that case the equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Okay. So what is h value? 1. Therefore equation of the parabola is x minus 1 whole square is equals to minus 4a, minus 4 into 5, minus 20 into y minus k. What is k value? Minus 2. We will get plus 2. So this is the required equation of the parabola. Now try to solve question number 7. This is similar to question number 6. Just coordinates are different. Okay. For next session we will discuss more problems.